Hi guys, let's make a quick and easy weeknight dinner, steak and shrimp stir fry. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Today I'll be using ribeye steak and large shrimp. I'll make this a balanced meal by adding some vegetables. I have broccoli, green beans, and carrots. I also will be using some bell peppers, some onions, garlic, and ginger. I have sweet soy sauce, regular soy sauce, Hoisin sauce, oyster sauce. I have some cornstarch, brown sugar, and some black pepper. So now let's season the steak and shrimp. We'll be using some garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Super simple. And then we'll add some soy sauce, and that's it, guys. I'm not doing too much today. I just want to get out the kitchen super fast, like in 30 minutes. So we will add these to the shrimp and steak and mix well and set aside. And I also will be adding some of that cornstarch to the steak. We'll mix that in and set it aside. Now let's create our sauce for the stir fry. Here I have some water in this bowl, and to that I will add all of the sauces, the brown sugar, and some cornstarch. We'll mix well and set it aside. To a preheated wok, we'll now go ahead and cook the steak first. So you want to add the steak there. And you want to cook this for about a minute or two. You don't want to overcook the steak because we don't want it tough and rubbery. So once it's nice and golden brown, you want to remove it and carry on with the same step. Now I have my heat on high because I want this to brown super fast. I don't want to keep it here long. So in about a minute or a minute and a half, we will remove it, and that's it, guys. In the same wok, I removed some of the oil, and now we'll go in with that shrimp. We'll cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes. You don't want to cook these long either because we'll add it back into the sauce and it will continue cooking. So to avoid it being tough and rubbery, you want to cook it for about 2 minutes and remove it. Next, you want to add the aromatics. Give it a good stir and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, you want to add the vegetables, and you also want to add some black pepper. We will not be adding any salt or anything else because the sauce is where the flavor is at. You don't need anything else. That sauce will flavor this up so well and add taste and everything that you need. So you want to give this a good mix. Allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. It depends on how you like your vegetables. I like mine crunchy, so I'll allow it to go for about 4 minutes. So at this point, you want to add that sauce, give it a good toss, and allow it to thicken up. Once it thickens, we'll go in with the steak and shrimp, and that's it. That's how quick and easy it is to make this stir fry. It's the perfect weeknight dinner for when you don't feel like doing too much. It took like 30 minutes. I promise you, it's so delicious and took little to no effort. Now let me plate this up and show you all the finished product. I did serve this up with some plain steamed jasmine rice, and it was absolutely divine. You have a balanced diet here, your protein, carbs, and vegetables. It was amazing, better than any takeout, and perfect weeknight dinner. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all the ingredients I use down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and bye.